Hi, I'm Kim Newcomer. In this episode of Let's Talk P3, we're going to be talking about public art. Now, can you remember a time when you rounded a corner and you spotted a mural? Or maybe you drove down a new street and you saw a sculpture outside of a building. And it was hard to look away because for a moment, you were filled with a sense of wonder. Maybe you're thinking of some Parker examples right now, like our iconic jacks that act as a guiding beacon downtown. Or the simple joy you felt when you first saw that man-eater bike rack at Discovery Park. And you realized that functional art is kind of brilliant. I mean, here in Parker, we love those moments and the space they create to connect and grow. In short, we're taking public art seriously because there's some serious benefits that come to the community. All right, take the Harmony Park Musical Classroom, for example. This type of functional art is accessible to everyone, and it creates a more vibrant community. It allows residents and visitors to engage with our town and make memories. Plus, it's actually just a lot of fun. Or for another example, the Art Encounters Rotating Sculpture Program. It builds community pride, invites people to Main Street to see the sculptures, and that leads to more people and visitors visiting their favorite retail shops and restaurants. This helps out our local economy, and it sets us apart from other communities. Public art can also reveal elements of Parker's history and, dare we say, personality. Both created by local artists, the Timestones at O'Brien Park and the statue of Dr. Walter Heath on the northeast corner of Main Street reveal Parker's fascinating history. While the Heath statue represents Parker's willingness to go the extra mile to do the right thing, other pieces, like our iconic jacks, represent the commitment to community and one another. Here in Parker, we're so committed to creating a vibrant community, we have big plans for public art in the future. We are currently updating the Parker Public Art Master Plan. This means working with the community to learn what type of art and pieces we should plan to purchase and add to our downtown in the future. Now, when we say public art, we're focused on more than traditional sculptures. Public art can also take shape through art and architecture, including signs and the way buildings are designed, streetscapes, functional art like benches and shade structures, landscaping, lighting, seasonal pieces, and so much more. The Town of Parker Public Art Master Plan will accomplish a few things for our community. First, we'll identify how we will fund a better public art program in the future. We know that money will come from the Town of Parker and from P3's Urban Renewal Fund. And we plan to encourage developers to fund public art as new businesses and spaces are created. We're also using grant funds like the P3 Flip Grant for local businesses. Now, these funds can be used for public art like murals and innovative signs, which can also help businesses attract customers and build community pride. Now is the perfect time to create a better public art program here in Parker. We have new developments that are slated for downtown, commitment to enhancing our town's walkability and visual appeal, and a new public art master plan in the works. With more public art, we can create some wonder and joy for everyone. That's all for this episode of Let's Talk P3, but we also want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite piece of public art in Parker? What would you like to see more of? We're excited to create more opportunities together.